Hi guys, my name is Chris. I live here in Macau, and for today's video, we are going to feature Fanlao. This is feature 244 of 1000. Hindi ito yung unang plano namin, pero napasubo kami dito dahil sa mga desisyon namin. Wala kaming pinagsisisihan dahil ginusto din namin to. Ang plano lang namin is chill camp dun sa Tayo, pero ang nangyari, traverse yung ginawa namin from Tayo going to Shake Peak. So kung di nyo alam yan, tinan nyo yung mapa na ito. Sobrang pagod ang nadarama ko kasi hindi ko to pinaghandaan. Yung katawan ko, battle tested naman, pero yung mga gamit ko hindi. Pero namangha ako sa ganda ng tanawin dito. The deserted peninsula here in South Lantau Island of Hong Kong. And this has a interesting, unique backstory. And the internet described this place as a beautiful spot to watch the sunset. Yet, the government more likely abandoned this place. Fanlao is a Cantonese name, means separating water flows. Now this place has a lot of archaeological findings that was built during Qin Dynasty. The Fanlao Fortress, stone circles of Neolithic and Bronze Age, which is the equivalent value of Stonehenge in United Kingdom. And up to this date, still no one identifies its purpose. Fanlao Lighthouse, abandoned town, Tinhao Temple, and stone obelisk. All these significant landmarks, fragments, and remnants of the past tell something that makes you think what happened to this place. If you can describe something like ghost town or ground zero, then Fanlao categorized this, but it's not haunted. Currently, this place is the ideal route for trekkers, hikers, campers. There are few villagers who live here and make a living by selling goods like water or snacks, foods. It makes an oasis for people who seek for comfort in the middle of nowhere. But to say the least, for its development and preservation, Fanlao lost its time. Through our traverse trek, we passed to the old ice cream truck, sabi saya pa kiling-kiling, broken generator, and honest store. Still active rice field, but no one is around. Some eerie alleys and charming healthy dogs. 2 days naming binaybay ang lugar na ito. Coastal, nadadaanan namin yung mga 3 beaches. Pero so far, wala kaming pinagsisihan dahil para din ito sa amin. We keep ourselves healthy by doing these activities and more creative. So, stay tuned for more. Marami pa akong i-upload dito. Antabayan na lang sa long format videos ko na i-upload ko sa YouTube. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bye-bye. See you on our next episode. And by the way, don't forget to